if the student wants to add a recurring unavailability for themselves, what they can do is from the sidebar of calendar, they can navigate to the vacation page. Once they click on this page, they would be taken here. You can see that this page contains a table which essentially contains all the unavailabilities that have been added by the student. So in case the student wants to add a new recurring one, they will click on the add button, which is present on the top right corner. Once they click on that, this model will open up. And now, since this is a recurring unavailability and a period would need to be selected, so the student would first need to uncheck this box. Once they have unchecked this, they would need to uncheck this does not repeat box because this unavailability would repeat. Then the student can select the frequency in which this unavailability would be repeated, whether it's a weekly repetition, daily, or a monthly repetition. If suppose they want to add a weekly repetition, what they can do is they have selected a date and the time from 4 p.m. till 5 p.m. If the student wants this to repeat every Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, they would select these dates. Then the student could need to add an end date. So the unavailability would start from 28. And then once they select an end date, suppose 25th of June, then the student can click on submit. So as soon as that is done, you can see that the table has been updated and the new unavailability has been added. The student can also go to the calendar homepage where they would be able to view the unavailability that they've added. You can see that these slots are marked. So these are the unavailable slots for this particular student. So this is how a student can add the recurring unavailability.